To meat or not to meat? Exploring the relationship between red meat consumption and gout. Gout is a type of arthritis that affects millions of people worldwide. It is caused by a buildup of uric acid crystals in the joints, leading to pain, swelling, and inflammation. While there are many factors that can contribute to the development of gout, one of the most significant is diet, particularly the consumption of purine-rich foods. Purines are compounds that are found in many different foods, including meats, seafood, and organ meats. When we consume purines, our body breaks them down into uric acid, which can then build up in the joints and cause gout flare-ups. So, what role does meat consumption play in gout? Should you avoid red meat altogether if you have gout? The answer is not so straightforward. While it is true that red meat is high in purines and can increase your risk of developing gout, it is not the only factor to consider. Other factors, such as overall dietary patterns and lifestyle choices, also play a role. For example, a diet that is high in processed foods and sugar can also contribute to the development of gout, regardless of meat consumption. Similarly, a sedentary lifestyle and excess alcohol consumption can increase the risk of gout flare-ups. That being said, if you have gout, it is recommended that you limit your consumption of purine-rich foods, including red meat, to help manage your symptoms. This does not mean that you need to avoid red meat altogether, but rather that you should consume it in moderation. Some types of meat are lower in purines than others, and can be consumed more freely. These include chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of pork. Fish and seafood are also a good source of protein and are generally lower in purines than red meat. In addition to moderating meat consumption, there are other dietary and lifestyle changes that can help manage gout symptoms. These include 1. Drinking plenty of water to help flush uric acid out of the body. 2. Consuming low-fat dairy products, which have been shown to reduce the risk of gout flare-ups. 3. Limiting alcohol consumption, particularly beer and other purine-rich alcoholic beverages. 4. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. 5. Managing stress through relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga. In conclusion, while meat consumption can contribute to the development of gout, it is not the only factor to consider. A balanced diet that includes moderate amounts of red meat, along with other protein sources, can be part of an effective management strategy for gout. Consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to determine the best dietary plan to manage your gout. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.